Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video I'll show you how to measure offset on any wheel and tire setup, so stay tuned. The particular wheel and tire setup I'm going to be checking on is some all-terrain off-road wheels. So we'll just show you, this is what you need. You need a straight edge. You can use a big ruler if you got it, a couple of small rulers, and if you got something like this, most people have something like this lying around, a right angle straight edge. You can just use this. So start by flipping your wheel around. So you want the face down. So you just put your straight edge. It doesn't matter that we have the tire on, because all we're worried about is the actual center line of the rim. So put your straight edge evenly on both sides of the tire and take your first measurement. So from the ground to the straight edge, it's 264 mm, so 264 millimeters. So now you divide 264 by 2, and that will give you your center line of your rim. So the center is 132. So once you have the center line, which is 132 on this, take your ruler and put it here where your wheel hub sits, where you bolt it onto your wheel hub. Put your straight edge of your ruler here and take a measurement to your straight edge here. So that's 146 mm. So from the hub to the straight edge is 146 mm. So now to work out the offset, you minus 146 by 132, which gives us an offset of 14. So it's a positive offset. So whenever you have a larger number than your center line, so the center of this rim was 132, if the measurement from the hub to the straight edge was 146, so whenever that number is larger than the center line, that means you have a positive offset. So we have a positive 14 offset on this particular rim. So just to confirm, take your ruler, or take the other straight edge you had before, put it on the hub face of the wheel, take your ruler again and just measure from the ground to the center. So you just want to do that. So now it's reading 118. So from the ground to the center of the wheel hub, it's 118. So if we take the center line measurement, which was 132, and minus that by 118, that gives us an ET or offset of 14. So that means that confirms what we measured earlier. So this rim is a positive 14 offset. So that's how you measure your wheels. That's a useful feature, especially if you've got four-wheel drive tires or anything similar, because some of these sometimes don't come with the offset mentioned on the rim, or if they do have a sticker, they come off eventually. So if you need to measure it and confirm if it'll clear your brakes, that's what you do. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like and subscribe, as it really helps me out.